Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. Today I am still working on this 1880s partially leather-bound volume, and I am going to be doing the turn-ins, showing you how I deal with those. And the turn-ins are that long fibered paper that I toned in an earlier episode. And so I've got a new break-off blade on my knife, and I'm going to come in and just trim off the excess so it aligns with the paste down on this book. So I'm going to do the other 3 turn-ins the same way. Go ahead and get them trimmed out. So this material is really a filler piece. It's cosmetic, just to visually fill in where the leather is missing on this book. And then I'm going to come back in with an adhesive and a micro spatula. And I want to wet out both the long fibered paper and the board it's being adhered to. And I try to lay it down with my fingers. I don't know why I do that, because I always wind up using tweezers for this. And I remove the excess adhesive and make sure that the piece is well adhered to the board. And then I do the other 3 turn-ins. I get them laid down also. And as you can see on the last turn-in, and maybe the last 2, I actually cut the piece a little too long, and so I lift it up off of the end sheet. So after the piece is dry, I can just trim off that little sliver and make it match. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to this short video this week, and like and subscribe to show the lab some love. And I hope to catch you next week as we continue working on this book.